What's up guys, it's Jimmy back here on the King Shaka channel. As you can see, I'm in my truck here with the dash swap and stuff. And today I'm going to be buttoning up a couple of things that will really make a difference, including the center console, which will go right about here. And then I'm going to try to work on those bars, the ones that you grab like up here and stuff and on the other side. So I'm going to be trying to get those in because I do have them from the 08 truck, as well as the foot things that go across. I'm gonna try to retrofit mine from that 08 truck that I got all these parts out of and try to get those in. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get started. Just in case anyone's new here, I say this every video, but here's my dash swap and the rest of the truck. It's an 0273 that I built to basically look like a 6.4, and I've been doing a lot of videos on it. So if you're into that and you like 7.3 stuff, or even looking at Fords or diesel trucks in general, definitely hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because do other stuff like that's a comments underneath there. So I do a lot of stuff, so definitely hit that subscribe button if you like that kind of stuff. And so here's what I'm talking about, this center console, to start things off. Picked this up with the truck that I got like the door panels off and stuff, and came with like the mounting bolts and everything. It's a little dirty and whatnot since it came out of a work truck, so just a nice cleaning, it'll be looking new again. But we're gonna go try to get this in the truck. I don't have seats for it yet, so it's only gonna be this until I find a set of seats. And yeah, we'll just start with this. Well, as you can see now, I just gave it the best cleaning of its life probably ever, and it looks like it's brand new now. So let's go get this in the truck. Alright, so I got the tools necessary to remove these two seats, and we're going to put the center console in first since its brackets sit underneath these ones in the front and stuff. So we'll do that, and then we'll get the seats back in. Alright, the truck is bare again with nothing in here except for this luxurious dash. But I'm gonna just set the center console in, it should line right up. I'm not gonna do any of the cigarette lighter stuff like this thing in it, because it has two of those in there. I'm just gonna wait until I do find my King Ranch seats and do all the power and everything, because I'm gonna run a fuse box behind here, and that's when I'll handle that. So we're just gonna leave it unwired for now, not a big deal, until I find seats. So I want to just make it easy on myself, do everything at once. Dang, that looks pretty good. It matches it up nice. I like how the chrome bezels right here match that. That really adds a touch. And just this tannish color right here just completes it. Now I just need a set of seats, obviously. So I'm gonna keep looking for those. But let's get the rest of this back together so that I can drive it again. Well, would you look at that, all back together, and I have to say it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. Even with the gray seats for now, I can totally live with that. It's not like it's an eyesore so oft like color, because this is pretty close. So all in all, this looks very, very good. I'm super satisfied with this. It's coming a long way. I'll throw in an old picture of what this whole thing used to look like, and you can obviously see that it's come a long way. Yeah guys, so I thank you for watching this video. I'm going to end it here. I know I didn't get to these things like the grab handles and stuff, but I'm running out of time here today, and I just don't really want to do it today. I'd rather save that for another video, because this one's probably going to be a little bit long if I do it with the whole thing. So I'll just split it into two videos, probably do that another day. And I definitely have like all the parts, and I definitely know what to do. I just it's gonna be too long and probably boring for you guys to watch both at once. So I'll conclude the video there. But as you can see, this thing looks really, really good. So like I said, if you're new and you like stuff like this, definitely hit that subscribe button, give today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.